Everyone wants to make minimal house right now. Artists as Chord and Stussy make it seem effortless. It's the kind of tracks that instantly sound professional, labels want to sign, and make people ask, how did you make that? But here's the problem. Most producers are doing the right thing, buying sample packs, following tutorials, copying drum patterns, yet somehow their music still sounds flat. Weak drums, no groove, no energy. The problem is that they're focusing on the wrong things. So, after helping hundreds of producers, achieving millions of streams, I finally cracked the code. And in this video I'm going to break down exactly how to make minimal house in 2026. So let's straight dive into it. Okay, let's start off with the drums. So first we need to set a BPM to around 126 to 124 and start off with a kick. Let's go for this 99 bass kick. I also added a fill at the end and the start of the drums. So then we're gonna move on to the clap. Let's go for this one. And then we're gonna add in the heads. Let's pick this loop from the F Towers pack. Perfect pack for minimal house, so make sure to check it out down below. Drums gonna be fairly minimal. It's just a matter of putting together the right loops. So then just mix them together. Around here. Then drop in a clap. The heads. And the shaker at a really low volume. I think I need to layer the heads some more, so... And mix it at a really low volume, just like this. Then we're gonna run them out to a drum bass. And load up my new plugin Slammer. It's a perfect one for drum bass mixing. Sounding like this. So first add some punch. Bit of high end. And add some warmth to it. So altogether our drum stack sounds like this. We got the drums ready, so now we're gonna dive in the main element of the track, the iconic bass. It's that typical minimal house bass you hear in a lot of tracks these days, so let's start off with 2 saw waves. 2 octaves down for the first one, and -1 +7 for the second. Giving this really cool effect. Then shape the envelope by lowering down the sustain. Give it some more decay, a lot of release. And make sure to enable the mono. Then the key of the sound, the filtering. Resonance up quite high, and route envelope 1 to the cutoff. Giving us this bass. Then add some more high ends with a downsample distortion. Clip it, OTT, to really bring out the downsample distortion some more. Reverb, delay, combined with a mod wheel. And make sure to keep the low in mono. So then we're gonna dive into songwriting. We are working in C minor, so let's start off on the root note. And make a really minimal melody. Just like this. Then duplicate it and make a small variation by going up to the thirds. Sounding like this. And then quantize it to get it slightly off the grid to humanize it some more. Because the human can't exactly hit on a grid every time. Sounds cool, but it misses something, so I added this sub-driven bass from the F Towers 2 pack. Just to give it some more sub and copy it over. And it gives way more body to the low end. So then mixing wise, just add a sidechain to the basses. Sounding like this. And then let's mix them together with a kick. So just lower down the volume around here. So it still sounds a bit weak to have it in a drop, so I added this steady note following the MIDI of the bass, but then it's sustained. So let's arrange it some more. Copy over the bass to the breakdown, remove it right here, drop in the heads, combine with a clap, and give it 8 bar for the breakdown. Let the heads fade in like this, lower down the volume some more, and create a mod wheel automation with a bass. And I also disabled the sidechain in the breakdown. So altogether our bass and drums sound like this. We got the most important elements ready, so now we're gonna add those typical minimal house ear candy leads. Let's start off with the top melody lead. You hear in a lot of those minimal house tracks. Let's go for this vocal bass lead and just make a melody based on the bass melody. Sounding like this. Sounds a bit loud right now, so lower down the volume. And I think I want to add in a bass step, so I got this random preset loaded up as well. And it's the opposite typical minimal house vibe here in all those tracks. So then we're gonna continue with my favorite preset in the After Hours pack. This Stussy lead. I use it in literally every production I make. So again, root notes, 5 semitones up, and just create a rhythm like this. And mix it to the back end. Loads of delay, remove the low end, push it to the sides, ton of reverb, and sidechain it, and then just mix it in volume wise. Yeah, it's really solid. So then I want to make it a little bit more melodic by adding a chord to it. Just go for this simple saw chord. And again, just follow the bass progression. Just like this. And make sure to remove the low end. Dip it around here. And sidechain so we can use it in the drop. And again, just mix it in. It's just a matter of getting the levels right. There's no complicated mixing at all. So that's already it for all the ear candy. All together, it sounds like this.
I'm looking for my Mr. Right.
We got all the synth elements ready, so now it's time for the vocal. We're gonna use a vocal from the After Hours pack. There are a lot of cool vocals in there. For example, this typical house vocal.
I'm looking for
We're gonna use this gospel kind of vocal. Really fits the vibe of the house music style we're going for.
I'm looking for my Mr.
Vocals way too loud, so lower it down.
Not easy, I put up a fight. And if you could be
around
so
here.
nice.
And then EQ it to get rid of the low ends.
Looking for my Mr. Right.
And I think it's way too dry, so
Not easy, I put up a fight.
add some delay and reverb.
And if you could be so nice.
Yeah, that's way better. Sounds a little bit empty right now, so I quickly gonna fill it up with some more effects. So I just added this ambience from the pack. Some downlifters, uplifters.
I'm looking for my Mr. Right.
Downlifters a little bit too loud, so lower down the volume. But overall it sounds really cool with a vocal. So then it's just a matter of arranging it. First I added this build up. And then we're gonna use the other synth elements in the breakdown as well. Also make sure to remove the sidechain.
Now don't you go too fast.
Together the vocal sounds really dope, so then just turn the drop into a 16 bar loop. And then we're already done with the minimal house drop. I think the final result turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about this in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, hit the like button, and I see y'all in the next videos.
I'm looking for my Mr. Right. Not easy, I put up a fight.